What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Carnivore Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Super Bowl fan favorite. We're going to be making some crispy wings. Now, before we get started, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, turn on the little bell notification so you never miss any of my videos. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Roll the intro! Welcome back, everybody. Let me show you what we got going on over here. Super duper simple. Got some chicken wings, skin side up on a cooling rack inside of a baking sheet. And what I'm gonna actually do with these, I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. What that's gonna do is the cold air is gonna just suck the moisture out of the skin. It's gonna dehydrate the skin. And that's honestly the key to any crispy wing without breading or without frying. So if you don't have 4 hours, you could probably get away with doing it for 2 hours, but I highly recommend 4 or more. You could even do it overnight. So let's put these in the fridge. And I'll see you in 4 hours.
One eternity later.
Welcome back, Mother Flowers. I just took the chicken wings out of the refrigerator. The skin is nice and dehydrated. I hit them with some pink Himalayan salt. Be generous with your salt. Some of it's gonna melt off with some of the fat from the skin. Now, I have the oven. It's been preheated to 400 degrees. I'm gonna stick these in for 40 minutes. Then we're gonna take them out, put them under the broiler for another 5 minutes, and then we're gonna hit them with some sauce. I'll catch you on the flip side. All right, the moment has finally arrived. They were in the oven for 40 minutes. I took them out, put them in the broiler. Let's pull them out from the broiler now. Look at that. Golden brown goodness. Super duper crispy. I'm so excited for these. So, this is what's gonna happen now. We're gonna let them rest, right? The fluid inside of the juice. We're gonna let these chicken wings rest a little bit. If you take a bite out of it right now, it's just gonna absolutely melt your face off. So, we're gonna let all the juices reincorporate back into the meat. Why am I still holding these? While we're waiting, I have a half a stick of garlic butter in a bowl. I'm gonna pop this into the microwave and we will hit this with some Parmesan cheese. I'm actually gonna use Pecorino Romano. I like it a little bit better. And we'll get these wings all nice and saucy. Be right back. Okay, so butter's out of the microwave. It's nice and melted and velvety. I'm gonna put my chicken wings in a bowl. It might be a little hot, so be careful. All right, let's get rid of this thing. Okay, chicken wings in a bowl, melted butter in. I'm gonna put some parm, some good old Pecorino Romano. You could put as much or as little bit as you like. I like a lot. I'm gonna give these the good old buffalo swirl and flip. Get them all nice and incorporated and sauced. We're gonna just plate them up. Oh, I lost one. That's okay. Look at these delicious wings. I promise you, if you show up to a party with something like this, you're gonna be the MVP. Now, let's try one. Now, everybody has their ways to eat wings. I am gonna show you my way, which I think is the best way because I'm Carnivore Bill. Now, you have a little cap here, like a little piece of cartilage. You're gonna rip that off. Then there's another little cap on this side, and then there's 2 bones. You're gonna take one of the bones and you're gonna twist. The bone will come out pretty clean. Gonna do the same thing to the other side. Clean bone. Then remember, there's another little cap on this side, so you're gonna hold the cap in your fingers, and you have a boneless wing. You could just dip it. Dip it.
Dip it.
Damn, that's a good wing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have fun at the Super Bowl. Stay safe. Stay swole. Carnival Bill, out. I'm gonna go demolish these wings.